Ex-Japanese PM Shinzo Abe assassinated in shooting. Slain Japan PM's 3 arrows of Abenomics will be his legacy. NYC bodega worker back home after judge lowers bail in self-defense case. San Fran names replacement for woke DHS Budan. Bill Gates' daughter faces racist comments after posting photo with rumored boyfriend. 1 million Muslims begin initial Hajj rites in Mecca. Assailants kill at least a dozen patients in Eastern DRC clinic. President Biden to take executive action on abortion access. White House press secretary blasted for claim about U.S. economy. A look back at Olympian Oscar Pistorius and his meteoric rise and fall. Blade Runner, Pistorius charged with murder after girlfriend shot to death in home. Media orgs ignore alleged Biden message to Hunter on business dealings. Employers add 372,000 jobs in June as hiring remains steady. U.S. employers added 372,000 jobs during the month compared with 390,000 in the prior month, signaling inflation is having a limited impact on hiring thus far. The unemployment rate held steady at 3.6% for the third month in a row. Industries leading the gains included professional and business services, leisure and hospitality, and healthcare, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. As abortion debate continues, suburban women share how Supreme Court decision will influence midterm votes.